When I looked on the computer, they had a good star rating. And then when Jess came out as kind of a review, and he was so professional, here's this young guy comes walking in and he's dressed nice, his nice haircut, respectable. The price was right, I thought. Jess explained everything and left me a book and said, okay, now you can look it all over. And if you decide to drop it, just call us, which I was quite impressed with. And then they came out so professional, and something that really impressed me is these are contractors. I never heard a foul word. They got everything all cleaned up. I said, oh, I'll blow that up. No, we get it done. And when they left, everything was spotless. I was so impressed. And would I ask them to come back, or would I advertise for them? Heavens, yes. The follow-up, they call back. Are you happy? Is it satisfied? And all this. They were gonna make sure that everything was the way they said it would be. When you look at the experience and all the work they've done, that tells the story.